Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Reynaxis Solutions, I have a Digicom flash drive that was sent to me by one of our staffs, and he's asking us to fix it for him because it's not reading and it's not showing up in the computer. Here I plug it on my laptop, and as you can see, I did not hear any beeping sound that will tell that the laptop is reading the flash drive. And if we open the computer manage and go to disk management option, as you can see, there is no flash drive here. I'm gonna remove the logic board from its housing so we can inspect the board for damages. I hope that we don't find anything serious, but let's have a look at it under my Yizan microscope. But first, let's use some of my mobile phone tool to remove the housing of this flash drive. Now that we can zoom in and see the logic board in greater magnification, we can almost figure out what's causing the problem. You can see that the connectors are not connected and they were broken. And from the looks of it, someone must have sat on this flash drive, that's why it got broken like this. It's a good thing though that if we look at the other components on this logic board, there are no apparent damages except for this. So now I'm going to apply solder flux on the broken connectors. I'm using the MTech soldering flux that I bought from Lazada. This is the flash drive's mass storage controller, which is a microchip and with an on-chip ROM and RAM. And I'm gonna use a pre-cut thermal pad to protect it from getting too much heat from my soldering hot air equipment. I don't wanna damage this just in case I got carried away and blast this USB with too much hot air. So this will protect it from that. You can also use coin, but I would rather use this pre-cut thermal pad. I'm gonna replace the tip of my hot air soldering gun with another tip. This is a smaller type because the one that is attached to it currently is huge, and this is for removing the LCD of mobile phones. Now I'm gonna replace it with this smaller one to make it a good fit against the logic board. The reason why I'm tightening the tip is because it's the norm for UA 952D Plus, which is the model for my SMD rework station. I'm gonna apply 308 degrees Celsius of hot air onto the broken connectors. Let's just observe first if it can melt them or not. But apparently, I think that they have used a high melting point solder wire. That's why our U1952D hot air is having a hard time melting these solders. Since the hot air cannot melt the soldering lead, let's apply a second dose of solder flux, and I'm gonna try my soldering gun from U1952D Plus at 350 Celsius, and probably this will do the job of melting the existing lead. Also, I'm topping it up with a fresh new batch of soldering wire just to strengthen the connection, since we don't know if the owner of this flash drive has a recurring habit of sitting down on his flash drive. I'm just gonna put a generous amount of solder wire for good measures. There. We're done with our soldering job for the connectors. It's time to clean up. For this cleaning job, I'm just using a Q-tip that I dipped in a solution called the board cleaner, which I also purchased from Lazada. I think we made a good job of soldering the front side, the front connectors, which connects the USB, but we still have to fix the back side where you can find these two connectors which are attached to the board for anchoring purposes. Let's cool it down with my portable fan before we assemble it up to one piece. I think that we also have made a good job on soldering the anchorage of the connector, and what's left for us is to assemble it and hope that this will work after. And now for the last part of this job, let's plug it in and wait for the magic sound to mesmerize us. There. That's the magic sound that we've been all waiting to hear. This means that this flash drive is already fixed, and as you can see, my antivirus has already detected the flash drive and is already asking us what to do with it. And if we open the flash drive with Windows Explorer, we can now see all the files in it. So there you go guys, I think it's a job well done today for us. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and have a nice day everyone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.